You are not audible.
I would request you to mute yourself if is it better now? Is the voice
Yes,
better?
fine.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. So what I'll do is to make this session interactive, I'll just give you a few sign languages, okay? Because every time for all of us, it will not be possible to, unmute and say in between. So if everything is fine and if you agree with me, you'll give me a thumbs up like this, okay? If you're enjoying the session, you can show me a this, okay? And if you find something awesome that I may say, you can show me a this. Awesome. I would want to have too many of these. And if you have any queries or concerns, you can just raise your hand like this. And just in case, since I'm not able to see all of you, just in case I miss to, address your concerns there, I would want and dedicate, 15 to 25 minutes of time by the end of this session to interact. I don't want to speak honestly. I want to be the listener today so that I can actually speak effectively and, targeting to what your concerns are, what actually you want to know. So any one of you who could tell me, I would definitely briefing about myself. But before that, if you could tell me, which day of the orientation is it?
Fifth day.
Sorry,
Fifth day.
fifth
Fifth day.
day.
I'm fifth day.
Fifth day, right? Fifth day. Okay. So now let me just brief you about myself before I start the so-called boring PPT. But MBA is all about PPTs and presentations and making presentations and giving presentations and taking presentations. So anyways, where I come from, so in my LinkedIn profile, you would find that, I have started my first venture in 2012, TechOn India. But I will reveal a secret today. Now that I am interacting with you students who are doing this course of MBA, I started my first venture actually when I was doing my MBA, the second year, and during my internship. And that was an event company because that was all I knew at that time. I thought I was creative enough and I could organize some events. Practically, not much skill was required. I asked my father for 10,000 rupees. I basically borrowed 10,000 rupees from him. And then I pooled it with another relative of mine who again put her 10,000. And with 20,000 rupees, we started this. We conducted some 4 5 events, and eventually, luckily, I could return back the money that I borrowed from my father, and I also made some decent profit. उस time पे यार 90,000 1 lakh rupee का profit was also like बहुत पैसे कमा लिए, and it's my money. I'll spend it the way I want. So that kind of a thing. And after that, I got married, so I had to switch my city and I came to Kolkata. And then again I started my venture, which is mentioned now from on the LinkedIn. That was Tech on India. And in 2012, it was difficult to explain people the importance of even having a website. आज के दिन पे तो हम लोग की पर्सनल वेबसाइट भी होती है, बट बैक देन इट वाज सो डिफिकल्ट टू एक्सप्लेन देम. एसएमईज वुड आस्क वेबसाइट की क्यों जरूरत है मैडम, एंड यू आर लाइक व्हाट. So educating them why they should be having a website, creating their online presence, developing softwares and apps for them, that is what I was doing. And fortunately, I have been lucky enough to empower 500 plus SMEs, bring them online and help them flourish. Then education has always been close to my heart, and this is not just a cooked up story, not a fancy story. But since I am, how many of you are from Delhi? Most of you are from Delhi or from different places? Okay, so most of you, or maybe the nearby places. So I am from Meerut originally. I know it's a very infamous place. I mean, don't be afraid of me. But then I am from there. Then I did my engineering from Dehradun, and then I was there in JP Institute for my MBA for 2 years. So since I am from Meerut, it's a small town, and I remember when I was in class 8, 9, 10, 5 o'clock in the morning, I had to, ride from my scooty till that tuition. And वहां पे ठंड बहुत होती है यार, दिल्ली की सर्दी, we all know. So Meerut is nearby and it's extremely cold, fog all around, and it was so insecure. going through those lonely lanes, and I would be alone, and I always used to think यार कुछ ऐसा होता घर पे आके कोई पढ़ा देता, it would have been so good. And ये सुबह सुबह उठ के muffler and all that, you look like a ghost, you know, the way you dress up in those winters उधर की यूपी and उस side की, you know. So I used to go. It used to be a lot of struggle, and finally, actually, I had to, discontinue because of a lot of security concerns and stuff like that. And since then, I so much wanted कि जो problem मैं face कर रही हूँ, I was sure a lot of students were facing. And मेरठ से भी छोटी छोटी जगह हैं, interiors हैं, and भारत versus India जो हम बात करते हैं, तो भारत is all about those cities. तो कुछ तो ऐसा होना चाहिए. So back then, 2014 के starting में we started with Mind R, जिसमें बाइजूस जो कर रहा है कुछ कुछ आफ्टर स्कूल सेल्फ लर्निंग टूल, दैट इज व्हाट वी स्टार्टेड विद. एंड फिर वहां से वी वर वी रेज्ड 4 राउंड्स ऑफ फंडिंग. टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया केम एज वन ऑफ द इन्वेस्टर्स. देन वी एक्सपैंडेड. हमारे 15 प्लस सिटीज में ऑफिसेज हैं, राइट फ्रॉम बैंगलोर, हैदराबाद, चेन्नई, गुवाहाटी, ऑल दीज प्लेसेस वी हैव आवर ऑफिसेज नाउ. वी रिसीव्ड लॉट ऑफ अवार्ड्स, एसोचैम, नास्कॉम, बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स मिले, अच्छा भी लगता था. एट द एंड रियलाइज हुआ अवार्ड्स का कुछ नहीं होना, इट्स ऑल पैसा कितना आता है. सो फाइन. So my journey has been really interesting. I remember me and my husband both have been partners into this business. In fact, there were 2 more partners, so we were 4 of us. So initially ऐसा लगता था कि पिताजी की जो जायदाद होती है उसमें तो हक है ही सबका. But then we both were from a very good well-off family, but somehow we had this notion that we have to start from our own money. So we started from zero. And there was a time I remember when we fought because my husband, he got a 20 rupees bread, and I was like, 10 rupees ki bread kyun nahi lai? Why did you spend 10 more rupees? I mean, we were operating at such thin budgets because we had practically poured in everything into our startup. जो था जितना था, जो टेकॉन से कमाया था और स्टार्टअप से और जगह से कमाया था, सब कुछ we had put into that. And today luckily we have everything by God's grace, and through the persistence that we could show. So uske baad I have also been fortunate enough to work with a celebrity. She's an Indian television actress. अगर आपने सुना हो कलर्स चैनल पे बालिका वधू एक सीरियल आता था, उसमें गहना का रोल she used to play, नेहा मारदा. And she has also participated in many reality shows. She's been the Boogie Boogie winner for 3 consecutive years. So her plan was to form a miniature form of Mumbai in Patna. That was her dream because she wanted to nurture the talent of Patna. But that was a dream. She was an amazing actress, awesome dancer, but she didn't know anything about entrepreneurship. So she took my help. I helped her building the team, set up the processes, SOPs, business metrics, everything. And the academy is running superbly well. अब मैं ये सब बातें क्यों बता रही हूँ? Am I here to talk about myself? Because you know what? I've done my project.
Motivate us a lot.
Okay, that's nice to hear. Awesome. And
to motivate us for our startups.
Okay, for startups or for that matter, anything that you do with persistence. So that I'll come to. And see, I do not want to start with conventional slides. I do have prepared a PPT, and I was smiling while I was preparing a PPT. Once again, another set of PPT. But chalo, isse pehle I start, let me ask you guys, this is the 5th day of your orientation, and I'm sure there were other guests who've given lectures before. So anything, किसी की भी कोई ऐसी बात जो आपको लगी हो, यार this is something really good and I am going to apply this in my MBA or in my life. Whatever you can recollect. Any one of you can say one thing, the other can say the other thing.
Hello?
Yeah. Yeah, Bandeep, you're saying something?
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, sorry. Ma'am, the one thing that inspires me most about the guest lecture of Richa ma'am, that always follow your passion. Whether you're doing a professional course or a normal courses, but don't forget your passion. Always follow your passion. So
Awesome.
that inspires me most.
Yes, awesome.
Thank you,
Anyone
ma'am.
else? See, because there will be guest lecture people who would be coming and saying a lot of things. Unless you know, pick and choose, apply them, there's no use of theory. So, anyone wants to add? Is there only one person who really found any of the lectures useful?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, who's that?
We have to think out of the box.
Yeah. Yeah, please come, carry on.
Shreya Mehra this side. I just wanted to add that there will be people who will be not supporting you or trying to pull you down, but you always have to believe in yourself and do what you want to do, rather than just contemplating what others will think or what you're doing. So.
Absolutely. Awesome. Awesome. So, all right, I will start, you know, with the first thing. Acha, I also learned yesterday only that the last lecture that you had was about maximizing your MBA. And I think that's a very valid, you know, topic, because if you could make the most of these 2 years, nothing like it. So let me just start with a short story, because I will tell you what, this is one thing that I'm going to tell you is not just going to be applicable for your MBA. This has been applicable throughout, you know, my journey of entrepreneurship, my MBA, or anything that I may do in life. And the same thing will be applicable for you too. So the first thing that you should do now that you've entered this new journey and it's a new beginning, you know, MBA, is first, you know, the break the invisible Fevicol syndrome. Now, what is that invisible Fevicol syndrome? I would explain you with a short story, okay? Because unless you do that, anything that I may say now or any other guest may come and say, unless you open up your mind, you know, nothing is going to be effective as such, okay? So let me start. This story is about a caravan of camels, okay? A group of people were traveling with a caravan of camels, and as it became late, so the group decided to stay overnight in the tents, okay? So now, you know, they were trying to tie all the camels, but they fell short of one rope, okay? As they were tying all the camels, they fell short of one rope. So they looked around for the rope everywhere, but they did not find the rope. So finally, a nearby saint suggested them an idea. He said to the leader of the group, just like you have tied all the other camels with the rope, just act of tying the last camel without the rope. Imagine, just act of tying the last camel without the rope. The leader freaked out. I mean, why on earth would I do that? But then since he had no other option, he decided to do that. He went to the last camel, acted of tying the rope around his neck, just like he did with the other camels, apparently in air, and to his surprise, the camel sat down. Now, the next morning, when everybody was ready to move, this last camel did not move. Everyone had tried everything possible, but this camel did not move. Now, the leader freaked out. He rushed back to the saint and asked, what have you done to my camel? It is not moving. The saint asked that, have you relieved him of the rope that you had tied? Now the leader said, but I did not tie him in reality. The saint said, you know that, my son, but the camel does not. So the leader went back, he acted of untying the rope around his neck, and to his surprise, the camel stood up. Now, what does this signify? Thank you for this. So what does this signify? What are these ropes? These are invisible ropes. हमको ऐसा लगता है, basically these ropes signify the amount of disbelief and self-doubt, you know, that we face. And most of this can be because of the society, our upbringing, our fear of failures. होगा, नहीं होगा, नहीं होगा तो लोग क्या कहेंगे? मैं करता ही नहीं हूँ. You know, a lot of self-doubt and disbelief that we face from within us, which holds us back from even trying new things. हमें लगता है ये फेविकॉल का जोड़ है, टूटेगा ही नहीं. जबकि in reality there is no such adhesive, there is no such rope that exists. तो सबसे पहले ये ropes तोड़नी है. Yes, Vanjana. Yeah, Vanaja. I'm sorry. What's? How do you pronounce your name? I'm so sorry.
Ma'am, my name is Vanaza.
Vanaza. Oh my God.
Yeah, so the
Name.
J is pronounced as Z. That's
Z.
it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Vanaza.
So
Yeah.
I have a similar kind of story. I was watching an Instagram video. So there was a guy, there was an ant on the floor, and the guy made a circle around that ant. Where the ant was in between that circle. And
Yeah.
for 5 minutes, he was just observing the ant, and that ant was struggling to get out of the circle. It was just a drawing, and
Okay.
the ant was struggling to get out the circle. So similar kind of story which you have told now, it's like that. We are like imagining there is like there is a limitation, but actually there is no limitation around us.
Actually.
Frame that thing like in our mind itself.
That's a fantastic story, an awesome story, I must say. Very short and effective, you know. So now, you know, this is the first thing that I would want you guys to do. It's a new journey, it's a new start. Purana baggage भूल जाओ, उसको छोड़ के जाना. अभी तो खैर कहीं जाना नहीं है, घर से ही ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लेनी है. But still, you know, do not carry that baggage with you. जो नहीं ट्राई किया अभी तक, जो सोचा था करना है, करूंगा, आई कुड हैव, आई शुड हैव, वो यहाँ पे एंड कर दो. अदरवाइज टिल द एंड ऑफ योर लाइफ ये आई कुड हैव, आई शुड हैव विल कीप ऑन, you know, becoming your story. So first is to break all the mental barriers that you have. There are n number of stories, and the point is simple, and I am sure this I could make this clear to you. Could I make it clear to you guys? Show me a thumbs up. Great. So now let me share you the slides. Just allow me. I can't locate it. Just a second. Is the screen shared with you guys? Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Second, allow me. So can you see this now, the PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I've been taking sessions on Google Meet and Zoom. Practically, this is the first time I'm using MS Teams. So I was just facing a little this thing. So, all right. How to make the most of your MBA. So we've already covered this, break the invisible Fevicol syndrome. Yeah? Yeah? Give me a thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the second slide, networking. Yeah. So I am sure people must have told you about, networking is important, this and that. बोला होगा, I'm sure अभी तक, if it is your 5th day. अब करना कैसे है? Have you, planned out करना क्या है? And what I believe is, I mean, especially now that you are at this age, that you don't have to think कि किसके साथ networking करें, किसके साथ नहीं करें. This is not the time. So I've written that, practically it's good that you don't have to pay taxes on the kind of, or on the number of friends that you have. Yeah. So anyone who could tell me what is, how it should be, how the networking should be. करना कैसे है? We all know networking करनी है, करनी कैसे है?
Ma'am, start interacting with the people.
Okay, interacting with people. Which
Ma'am,
people?
It could be
Like build a team with the same
LinkedIn.
same
it
focus.
could be done through LinkedIn.
LinkedIn पे क्या करेंगे? Birthday wish करते रहेंगे. Most irritating thing. Oh my God, we know सामने वाला person doesn't, but still we have to, है ना? So don't do that. मतलब LinkedIn पे should have connects, and this is what I now personally practice. Happy birthday Facebook और LinkedIn पे सबको पता है कि it doesn't mean anything, right? So don't do that. And some people start sending good morning, good evening messages every day. Oh my God, don't ever overdo that, please. है ना? कम नहीं करना है, but ज़्यादा भी नहीं करना है. Correct? So what is a good way? If you really care, या फिर थोड़ा सा you say ना, इसमें भी investment तो थोड़ी लगेगी of your time. So you may have to maybe, type in a small WhatsApp, just writing happy birthday, if not a call. That is the least you should do. LinkedIn and Facebook के birthdays mean nothing. And उससे networking नहीं हो रही होती है. Networking is much beyond. And but yes, LinkedIn is a very good way to connect with people, to connect with people who may not be in your circle currently. Otherwise you can reach your first circle of influence, then maybe second, but वहां पे जाते ही you open to a different varied pool of people whom you can reach all of a sudden. And what else? You remember रफ्तार का वो जो song है, मैं वही हूँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, back seat wala something. There's a rap by Raftar. So the point here is कि ये मत सोचो यहाँ पे यार इस बंदे के तो ये क्या काम आएगा, he is not worth, या she is not worth, इससे बना के क्या करूँगा. You never know who's going to become a celebrity आगे जाके. Secondly, never have in mind कि आज कुछ मतलब निकालना है इसलिए friends बनाओ. Don't ever have that in mind. Just go, talk, share mutual interest. कोई भी ऐसी बात जो दोनों की mutual interest में हो, talk and maintain terms. तो ऐसा होना चाहिए. If you are into a college, right from the peon of your college to the dean, lowest in hierarchy and the highest in hierarchy should know you by name. अपना rule simple बना लो. आपके college में from the first ladder to the highermost, the apex, the ace should know you. तो जो मैं कह रही हूँ वो implement हो जाएगा जब ये target करोगे. And once you implement this in your college, then your target should be to do this in other colleges. Events होते हैं, you go, you get exposed to, you know, other colleges also. अभी virtually होगा, but try to do the same thing there as well. अब वहां पे जितने लोग हैं, उसका, you know, the bottommost ladder to the apex, everyone should know you. Clear? Yeah, this PPT is getting lost again and again, and I am finding myself so lost. Just a second. All right, so let's move to the next. Can you see this? Can you guys see this? Start early.
No, ma'am.
No, the screen is, oh, just a second.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible now. Start early.
Yeah, is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So guys, इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? No one has अभी तक कभी किसी ने साइकिल चलाना सीखा है बिना साइकिल पे चढ़े? Have you ever seen somebody learning how to ride a bicycle by reading a book?
No, ma'am. Never.
You will have to actually get on that damn cycle. गिरना पड़ेगा, चोट खानी पड़ेगी, तभी सीखना आएगा. Correct? And that's what I mean to say. मैं जितना भी बोल लूं, मैं क्या अंबानी जी आ जाए, जैक मा आ जाए, I mean अलीबाबा के फाउंडर, but we may only give lectures. जब तक साइकिल पे चढ़ोगे नहीं, सीखोगे नहीं. So somebody yesterday, I was in a session and somebody asked me कि कोई book suggest कीजिए entrepreneurship पे. I said you cannot learn entrepreneurship by reading a book. Start. कुछ भी बनाओ, बेचने निकल जाओ, समझ में आ जाएगा. I never read any book about entrepreneurship. Theory is important, especially MBA theory. Since I am from marketing field, तो बहुत सारी चीजें जो उस टाइम समझ नहीं आई थी, वो तब समझ में आई जब actually, you know, real business में I entered. Brand positioning क्या है, brand equity क्या है, segmenting, positioning, targeting, इसका मतलब क्या है, you know. Even in the second year in Viva, when, you know, the professor asked STP क्या है, I was like, क्या है? I only knew the full form. I could really not understand the real meaning unless I implemented, और उसका impact क्या है business में, तब समझ आया. Otherwise, it was only about writing definition, getting good marks, 9.4 CGPA. Wow, I was a topper. हो गया. You know, so अगर if any one of you plans to be a entrepreneur, suppose कुछ भी छोटा अभी स्टार्ट कर दो. If you are sure कि मेरे को जॉब में ही जाना है, इंटर्नशिप्स के लिए डोंट थिंक कि पेड है, फ्री है. ट्रस्ट मी, अ कंपनी इज गिविंग यू एन अपॉर्चुनिटी कि वहां जाके आप गलती कर सकते हो एंड उस गलती की भरपाई वो कंपनी कर रही है, नॉट यू. देन ऑल्सो इट्स अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट द कंपनी इज प्रोवाइडिंग यू, राइट? देखो वहां क्या CRMs यूज कर रहे हैं, क्या टूल्स यूज कर रहे हैं, कैसे कंपनी चलती है, कितनी गाली पड़ती है. You know, you will get the feel of it and how the life is going to be and what you have to prepare yourself now for. Yes? So चलना सीखना है तो गिरना तो पड़ेगा ही, है ना? अब जितनी जल्दी चलना सीखना स्टार्ट कर दोगे उतना अच्छा है. एक बच्चा सोच सकता है 5 साल बाद चलना स्टार्ट करूंगा. If he'll start then, तब भी गिरेगा. Better is to start early, do the mistakes, learn from your mistakes and keep on evolving. Right? Now, all right. Another thing, which is, fine. Let me just. Can you see this? Evolve your career goals. Guys, can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Evolve to career goals, identify your core competencies. Anyone who would want to say कि इसका मतलब क्या है जो मैंने लिखा है?
That we should focus on the area of specialization.
Focus तो तब करेंगे जब पता होगा. My first point is, do we really know what we like doing, what we enjoy doing, or what we are good at?
I think unless we try and we won't find out that.
Absolutely. Awesome. Because होता क्या है, बहुत बार हमें लगता है हम ये चीज अच्छी कर सकते हैं. We have this feeling, but like we discussed, those invisible ropes, कभी some relatives, some family, ये नहीं कर पाएगी, इसको तो ना उस फील्ड में भेज दो. बचपन से we've been hearing this. Yes? 50,000 times no सुना होगा और शायद 5 बार हाँ सुना होगा कि हम कर क्या सकते हैं वो हमें कम बताया गया है. हम क्या नहीं कर सकते हैं, we've been told that more often. है ना? तो हमें पता ही नहीं हमारा इंटरेस्ट क्या है. और कई बार क्या होता है, even when we know this is our interest, we so much fear ये इंटरेस्ट है लेकिन इसको मैं प्रोफेशन में कैसे, I like to cook suppose, or I like to dance, अब मैं इसका क्या करूं, या I like to speak, बोलना पसंद है, ये मैं किसी को बोलूंगी भी ना तो मेरे पे ही बम फूटेगा. This is the kind of feeling that we have. तो उसको पहले अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट इज योर कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी, इसके लिए ना कुछ बेसिक क्वेश्चंस आप अपने आप को पूछ सकते हो. What is it that I enjoy doing most? मुझे करना क्या पसंद है? What is it जब मैं करता हूं तो बाकी लोगों से मुझे प्रेज मिलती है, तारीफ होती है मेरी. What is it जो मैं औरों से अच्छा कर देता हूं? कोई ना कोई ऐसी एक चीज होती है. See, you don't have to be good at all 50 things. बट अगर वो 2 चीज या एक चीज भी पता चल जाए जो आपको लगता है हाँ यार, this is something that I enjoy doing, that I do reasonably better than others, then the work is done. और फिर क्या करना है? What is the next step? You will have to write it down. Don't just think. Write it down on a diary because written thought has much more weight. Okay? Once you write it down, then make sure that every day you spend at least 30 to 40 minutes upgrading yourself, chiseling yourself on that area. मुझे speaking पसंद है supposedly. I want to be a public speaker. Okay? So I have decided, fine, this is something that I can do better than others, or this is something that I enjoy doing. Then what I'll do is I'll maybe read books about it. I'll maybe, join, other experts giving, webinars or seminars on this area. You getting me? Every day spend 30 to 40 minutes, open up your diary and see, am I doing something enough to reach to my goal, to reach to this, passion of mine? Cross check that. And once you can identify that, ये भी देख सकते हो उसके आसपास कोई immediate careers available हैं क्या? If that directly can be converted into a career, great. What is the field? Job में जाना है तो इसके आसपास का क्या वो career हो सकता है? Something which is, if not the same, related to this. Once you identify that, you start working on that, you create a niche of your skill. 50 चीज में एवरेजली अच्छे होना तो जरूरी है ही, लेकिन एक स्किल में अगर अबव एवरेज अच्छे हो गए, then your job is done. Am I making some sense?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So now coming on to the next slide. Communication. I'm sure बहुत लोग बताते होंगे, such a redundant thing. Communication. Can somebody tell me what is exactly communication? I don't want a definition. Certainly not. Two-way, receiver, sender. No, please.
Expressing your thoughts.
Expressing your thoughts. Okay, I would write this down. And
Expressing yourself properly in a presentable manner.
okay,
So that the other person understands.
Sharing what you feel.
sharing what you feel. Okay.
बोलना.
Okay.
Sharing the mutual interest.
Okay.
Ma'am,
But
the
then
one we are doing
I'll
right
tell
now.
you what, I'll tell सब लोग थोड़ा सा ना अलग line पे जा रहे हैं. So I'll tell you what. You know, we pay, I mean, some good packages. We have some good employees. I mean, they would also be watching this seminar if it's on YouTube. So let me not name them. But we have certain people, you know, working for us and very, very fluent in English. Kya gazab English, of course, because there are places wherein they have to exhibit the skill. Language proficiency hai, wo communication nahi. Now there is this person, जिनसे जब वो बात कर रहे हैं, this person on the other side is not comfortable in English. And हमारा जो employee जो team member है, that is like लगा पड़ा है. Accent में 100 on 100 English बोले जा रहे हैं. Do you call that communication? मैंने
No, ma'am.
expressing your thoughts is fine. मैंने अपने दिल की बात कर दी. Correct नहीं कर सकते. Whether the person on the other side is understanding it or not. Is it communication?
Ma'am, halfway communication.
Ma'am, communication is always two-way.
Half नहीं है यार, half communication कुछ नहीं होती. Half is when you know आपको खुद को समझ में आ रहा है आप क्या बोल रहे हो. That makes no sense.
We
Do you get
also
me?
need feedback from the person we're communicating our thoughts to.
All right. If you get a chance to do that, it's a great opportunity. But most of the time सामने वाला कभी बताएगा ही नहीं, उसे समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा. Supposedly I made a sales call and I'm trying to communicate my company's, you know, or my products XYZ benefits. उसको नहीं समझ में आएगा, he'll simply hang up or he may not show interest. You will never come to know कि यार बिका क्यों नहीं. And then वो जो emoji होता है ना सोचने वाला, you will keep thinking हुआ क्या. फिर कहोगे मैम कंपनी मार्केटिंग नहीं करती काफी. बाइजूस को देखिए कितना बेचता है. शाहरुख खान को ले आया, आपकी कंपनी किसको लाई है? You get me? ये जाके बोलो. What is the company going to come back and say? So now this is sales. इंटरव्यू में बहुत लोग बोले जा रहे हैं because अपने resume बनवाया है पैसे देके over a period of 2 years. They framed their resumes beautifully. They have mugged up the complete thing and now they're just saying, vomiting out the complete thing. फर्क नहीं पड़ता सामने वाला सुन रहा है नहीं सुन रहा है, उसे समझ में भी आ रहा है. The point that you're trying to establish whether the person is able to get it in the same spirit way or no. So समझ रहे हो? Presentation अभी मैं भी supposedly I don't see you. Last day, you know, most of the students were not on camera. And I was wondering how to talk to this machine. How do I talk to a machine? How do I know whether the person on the other side is actually getting or no? You know, it's very difficult. तो कई बार ऑडियो में अगर हम कॉल कर रहे हैं तो समझ में आ जाता है. But the immediate, you know, rule of, मैं application point of view से बता रही हूँ. Definitions you can go, Philip Kotler है और बहुत सारी books आएंगी. अभी MBA is all about thick books. You will study all the theory. But I'm telling you from the application point of view, sales होती है, चाहे resume है, चाहे you are talking to someone, you know, to convince somebody. So it's equally important कि सबसे पहले अपने mind को उसके mind के साथ map करो. You know, पहले तो सबसे पहले if the person has switched to Hindi, immediately you should switch to Hindi. If the person is, you know, talking slowly, immediately you'll have to talk slowly. Map the style. तभी effective communication होगी. So communication is not just about talking in fluent, proficient, you know, English. English is very important. Communication skills is important. Most of you would realize it at the time जब GD group discussions और interviews होंगे, तब बच्चे बोलेंगे हम लोग अपनी communication skills पे काम कर रहे हैं. So don't do that. You have got these 8, you know, whole 2 years. Work on your communication skills, participate, give presentations. वो सब तो करना ही है. But communication का मतलब ये बहुत जरूरी है that हमारी बात, whatever we are communicating, whatever we are conveying, is being received on the other side with the same intent जिससे हम कहना चाह रहे थे. Is it making some sense? Am I able to communicate my point well? Okay.
Yes.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. So
Ma'am, Sal here. Can I ask something?
Yes, please. Just a second.
Ma'am, someone told me कि communication skills में यानी conversation hold एक बहुत important role play कर सकता है. Can you explain them?
Sorry, once again.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, now I can. Your voice was breaking.
Someone told me कि communication skills में communication में conversation hold बहुत important role play करता है. Can you explain them?
See, I don't know, conversation बहुत important role play करता है, इसे क्या imply करना चाह रहे थे, but see, it is very important कि आप एक impact छोड़े सामने वाले पे, है
मैम
ना?
कॉन्वर्सेशन मींस क्या कि सामने वाले को आप कितना होल्ड कर सकते हैं, कितनी देर तक बातों में लगा सकते हैं. आई एम जस्ट नीड
Yes, yes. So I'll explain that what it means. एक बात बताइए, supposedly you get a call, you know, from any XYZ. So why would you want to spend more time with that person? अगर कोई पका रहा होगा, so what do we get? Chap and we reject the call. Do we do that or no?
Of course.
जहाँ पे ऑप्शन होता है, if somebody is spending more time to talk to you, अगर आप उसे engage कर पा रहे हो, तो ही वो आपके साथ कॉल पे या फिर अदरवाइज ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहेगा. करेक्ट? अब एंगेज कैसे करोगे? यू डांस तो करना नहीं है, कोई परफॉर्मेंस तो दिखानी नहीं है जो एंगेज करना है. कॉन्वर्सेशन से ही एंगेज करना है. वो एंगेज कब होगा? जब आप उसके इंटरेस्ट में बात करोगे, या फिर कोई ऐसी बात जो आप बोल रहे हो वो उसको समझ में आ रही है, कुछ उसका इंटरेस्ट अटेंशन रैप कर पा रही है. डू यू गेट मी? अगेन द रोल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन इज देयर, क्योंकि मेरे से वो ही बात करना चाहेगा ना जिसे मेरे से बात करने में इंटरेस्ट आ रही होगी. सेल्स में तो बहुत होता है, यू मेक अ कॉल, आई मीन बिगेस्ट ऑफ द इन्वेस्टर्स आल्सो. सो मैं जो ये बात कर रही हूँ सेल्स कॉल, आई टॉक टू यूजुअली से द इन्वेस्टर्स इनिशियली. मतलब इट्स ऑल अबाउट सेल्स ना. हम चाहे पिच डेक बना रहे हैं अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट उठाने के लिए, स्टार्टअप के लिए, चाहे एक सेल्स प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे हैं, चाहे इंटरव्यू दे रहे हैं. जरूरी है कि इंटरव्यू ज्यादा देर तक चले. वो कब चलेगा? जब सामने वाले को कुछ इंटरेस्ट आ रहा होगा, आपकी कॉन्वर्सेशन से वो कुछ समझ पा रहा होगा, रिलेट कर पा रहा होगा. Then only that person would want to give more of his time to you. Could I make some sense to your query?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Yes,
Thank you,
please. Yeah, most welcome. Yeah, Vanza. Yeah. Vanaza. Yeah.
Yeah, Vanessa. So my question is not regarding the communication one. My question is regarding the previous topic, which you said ki evolve your career goals. And that you said ki when you get a praise, whichever thing you do, it makes you feel a little motivated and you can follow that thing because everyone is praising you. So you think like you are good at that. Correct? So actually my dad, my dad used to say the opposite thing of this. My dad says the person who is praising, and if you take that praise, you will not evolve much after that because you are getting praise. You think, yeah, you have reached the level. There is no path to go furthermore because you are getting praise. So if you are getting praise, that is not a good thing. You can't evolve further. If you're getting criticized or you're getting a little failures in that, that will make you work more harder. So what's your take in that?
So I guess there's a little bit of confusion in what you communicated. He said the thing on point. See, what happens is most of us, there are two things. हम लोग जो context में बात कर रहे हैं, this is a slightly different context, and what your father may be saying is a slightly different context. So what I was pointing out is to first identify कि हम किस चीज में अच्छे हैं. Complacency तो तब आएगी जब हमें लगेगा हाँ, now we have decided we are good in this and we want to excel in this. उसके बाद जो praise आ रही है and if we feel wow, oh I am already this and that, so वो complacency आ जाएगी, overconfidence, which is very very bad. But जब हम see there is a balance between overconfidence and low confidence, so जो low self confidence है, जब हमें यही नहीं समझ में आ रहा हम करें क्या, what are we good at, वो एक बैंड वेगन इफेक्ट होता है ना कि अगर सब इंजीनियरिंग कर रहे हैं तो पीछे पीछे मैं भी इंजीनियरिंग कर लेता हूँ. All my family members were engineers, like all my siblings. मुझे इंजीनियरिंग में डाल दिया था यार, and all those 4 years I was only coping up. मैं पढ़ती इसलिए थी मैं फेल ना हो जाऊं और मैं ऑलमोस्ट सेकंड थर्ड उसमें टॉप आ जाती थी. I was so scared, but why I did engineering because सब कर रहे थे, so मुझे भी करना है. That ways I did not know what I like. My parents asked me, but I did not know by then. 12th तक मुझे पता ही नहीं था साइंस लेना है, सब साइंस ले रहे हैं. I also have to take science. Okay, fine, science. That ways. I never thought what do I like doing. And maybe अगर मैंने बोला होता I want to be an entrepreneur at that stage, तो भी चीजें अलग ही होती. They would have shouted, अरे entrepreneur तो बनना है, first take some degrees, do some, थिंग्स लाइक दैट। लेकिन बात हो रही है टू आइडेंटिफाई हमें पसंद क्या है, हम करना क्या चाहते हैं उसके लिए। नाउ व्हेन आई से प्रेज, आई विल टेल यू व्हाट, मैं जब बीटेक में भी थी ना, तो आई सिंस आई हैड दिस इंक्लाइंड इंटरेस्ट टुवर्ड्स बिजनेस एंड यू नो ऑल दिस, तो आई यूज्ड टू पार्टिसिपेट इन बी प्लान कॉम्पिटिशंस। वहां पे आई यूज्ड टू बी द यंगेस्ट, मी एंड माय पार्टनर सुमित, हम लोग कॉलेज से जाते थे एंड आई वाज द यंगेस्ट। हम लोग बीटेक के थे, बाकी सब एमबीए से आते थे बच्चे एंड आईआईएम्स के भी बच्चे आते थे, तो लग जाती थी यार कि गए, आई मीन हम तो वी आर सो यंग एंड हम क्या कर पाएंगे। एंड आउट ऑफ द 5 कॉम्पिटिशंस दैट आई पार्टिसिपेटेड इन, पैन इंडिया में आईआईएम्स के बच्चे भी थे वहां, 4 of those we won। उस टाइम पे तो 10,000 का कैश प्राइज वगैरह ये सब मिलता था, गिफ्ट वाउचर्स मिलते थे, वो भी एक बहुत अच्छा लगता था। That was the time I started realizing कि बीटेक में होने के बाद भी I was doing that. So when I say praise, वहां पे अगर हम जीत रहे हैं तो कुछ तो होगा ना। I mean, there were people from all the big institutes, वो MBA की थ्योरी पढ़ के आ रहे हैं, हमें MBA की कोई थ्योरी नहीं पता, हम बीटेक से हैं and we are able to you know win those national B plan competitions, you know। फिर and there have been incidents, वहां पे जब praise होता है, supposedly I participated in debate, अब घर वाले हो सकता है they may not know how good I am at communication or you know at debating, because you're very different when you are at home। So वहां से वो praise बहुत बार आती नहीं है, आपको खुद भी realize नहीं होगा am I extraordinary at this or am I at least you know at some level at this। पर जब आप बाहर जाते हो, you participate, it is very important that you participate कुछ कहीं activity में, so that you know वहां पे अगर कुछ भी लोग अगर आपको you know they're praising or at least if they're acknowledging, then at least you know okay, you know that acknowledgement is very important। लेकिन like you said, like your father said, अगर वो acknowledgement हो गया उसके बाद ये मत सोचो मुझे तो ये मैं तो इसमें बेस्ट हूँ, या तो मैं तो इसमें बेस्ट हूँ, वो नहीं सोचना। उसके बाद like I said, हर दिन 40 minutes निकाल पे के आपसे जो ऊपर लोग हैं, you will have to attend their webinars, seminars, read books every day 40 minutes, improve that area which you have identified you are good at। And criticism, why he said criticism in all walks of life, कुछ भी करने जाओगे criticism तो आएगा ही। हम लोगों की ना एक we go through a disease called approval seeking disease, कुछ भी करेंगे लगेगा बाकी लोग हाँ बोल दें। इवन पॉलिटिक्स में यार कोई अगर 50% वोट से भी जीत जाता है ना, वो जीत जाता है। So we don't have to seek approval from each and every 100% people। You know, criticism तो आएगा ही, उसको तो अच्छे स्पिरिट में लेना ही है, इम्प्रूवमेंट तो करना ही है, बट उसकी वजह से खुद को पुल बैक नहीं करना है। जस्ट बिकॉज किसी और ने कह दिया, you don't have to believe that, you have to believe yourself first। and criticism को जरूर से analyze करें, sometimes go for self evaluation but don't just buy it for। Am I making some sense? Guys, I hope you're not sleeping।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am, you're sleeping?
No, ma'am, we are not.
No, ma'am. We are listening.
Sorry, I'm Dr. Pankaj Sani. Sorry to interrupt you, ma'am.
Yes,
Swati, ma'am.
Yeah.
Actually,
Yes.
Anuj sir has requested me to remind you because we are approaching time, ma'am, because we have another session. So we request you to wind up because we have another session.
Sir, it's just one more
I hope
slide.
you are through.
I am done. Yes, sir. It's one more slide. I'm done. Just 5 more minutes. So guys, can you see
Okay.
this? Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
I have already talked about it. Sales everywhere in all walks of life, be it interview, be it a sales presentation, be it any other presentation wherein you have to convince others, or be it your investor pitch, anything in all walks of life ye kaam aata hai. Even when the whole economy is drowning, you know, this is that one skill that can be a survival skill which can act as an you know emergency skill। तो ये मत सोचो मैं MBA मार्केटिंग हूँ, मुझे मार्केटिंग में जाके जॉब मिलेगी। You can be from finance, operations, जो भी लेना है, but this is one skill which can be a survivor skill। Try doing that and this is going to help you। It's going to be a life skill for sure। Read, like I said, if you know the different perspectives, Sometimes what happens, हमारे जो interest होते हैं, we tend to read more of that. But try to build perceptions, perspectives. So it can be, psychology. Human psychology is very important, because you go into any trade, corporate or business, before it is a product, it is people. It is a people business. So understanding the human psychology, why people behave in a certain manner that they behave, it is very, very important. So read, watch documentaries. There are a lot of documentaries on Netflix and other, stuffs, I'm sure you know. So rather than watching, some thriller sort of a series, you can choose some of the documentaries, and it can be a really, really, time saver and can make you learn a lot. Yeah. And this is the last slide. This is the least that you can do, is to enjoy your MBA. If you really want to maximize your MBA, if you really want to make the most of your degree or the most of this time, do not forget to enjoy this, because life has much more in stock for you in future. Ash kar lo jitni kar sakte ho. Yeah. So have fun. I can understand abhi ghar mein ho, yaar is pe to ye nahi, is pe ye milna chahiye tha. So my point is, जो भी करो, enjoy करते करते करो, and don't treat it as a burden. Life has much more in stock for you in future. Yeah. And then that is it. The theory shall reveal its real meaning when you practice it. Cycle पे चढ़ जाओ, book मत पढ़ो cycle पे चढ़ने के लिए. So these are my social media handles. You can reach me out on LinkedIn if you have any queries, if you need any of my assistance in helping you further. And I guess I am done now. If you guys have any questions, any queries, please go ahead. So how was the session, by the way? Could I make some sense to you guys? या फिर वो all clear था?
No, ma'am, it was an amazing session.
Oh, thank you for this.
Ma'am, it was interesting.
You learned something, and would you be applying for more, please? Thank you.
Now
Applying for
from
more, please.
now on behalf of Bharati Vidyapeeth, ma'am, I would like to thank you. You had given a wonderful presentation, and one thing which I liked about this session is you talked about the practical things. Students keep on listening the theoretical aspects and theoretical literature and all, but one thing is very beautiful which I found today. You talked only sense which can be implemented in the life. So students, so you had a great opportunity to listen, Swati ma'am. So formally, I thank ma'am for having this wonderful session. And now we will go as per our schedule. And,
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. You may please carry on with the schedule. Bye, guys.
Thank
Bye,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Take care, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.